Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a green plant with paper. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need several sheets of green paper, ideally in different shades to add visual interest and realism to your plant. Grab a good pair of scissors, some reliable craft glue, and a few pieces of floral wire. Finally, find a small decorative pot or container to house your beautiful paper creation. These simple items are all you need to begin this fun project. Now, let's start crafting the leaves for your paper plant. Begin by cutting your green paper into a variety of leaf shapes and sizes. Think about the natural variations you see in real plants. Once cut, gently fold each leaf down the center to create a subtle spine, adding a three-dimensional quality. For extra detail, use your scissors to make tiny, shallow notches along the leaf edges, mimicking natural leaf textures. This step brings your paper leaves to life. With your leaves ready, it's time to assemble your plant. Take a piece of floral wire and carefully attach it to the base of each paper leaf. This wire will act as the stem, allowing you to shape and position your leaves. Next, group several wired leaves together to form small branches, twisting the wires to hold them securely. Finally, arrange and glue these branches into your small pot, ensuring they stand upright and create a pleasing, full appearance. You're almost done. To give your paper plant a polished look, let's add some finishing touches. Cut small, irregular pieces of brown or dark green paper to represent soil and glue them over the wire bases in the pot. This hides any visible mechanics and enhances realism. Gently bend and shape the leaves and branches to create a natural, organic flow, just like a real plant. Finally, display your beautiful, handmade paper plant in a prominent spot where it can be admired. Enjoy your everlasting green creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.